Hi, I am Julien Villet from SYSTELL ALPHACAM France. I'm gonna show you how to import BTLx inside ALPHACAM with our module. Right now, you can see a new tab which contains our BTLx project. First of all, we need to configure it. For this, I click on the wrench and then the BTLx configuration manager appears. On the configuration manager, you can see the configuration list, which are our presets. I can add a new preset, delete, copy. On the other side, you can see the naming solution. You can see the auto style and the working folders. For positioning, you have positioning of the part, origin, and the rotation. For prefabricated, you have other options depending of your machine. Next tab, layers for prefabricated, machining, outline, 5-axis, and so on. For woodwork, some options, layer name options, contour. If the contours doesn't exist, I will make it for you, and so on. You can see NC stop, like a pause inside your program, drilling, tilted contours. So now let's check options. You can have a flag engraving and a climax detection. Enable it. Check if it's a tool, like a disk or a router. For wood frames, you have some nailing and frame assembly options. You can make a contour of it. Nesting, you can create directly a nesting list. You can just create it in ALPHACAM, save it, and then use it like a sample. For information, you have the BTLx version number and the date. Okay, let's just save it. Yes, and then import it. To import it, we have two options. First of all, input CAD, BTLx. Okay, and then choose your BTLx. On the other side, you can drag and drop inside the drawing zone. When the BTLx file is imported, you can have all the informations linked to the project from CADWork or CIMA. For the treatment, you have the file loaded, ALPHACAM program, where will be, then I will create nesting demo, select folder, same for the other one, nesting demo, okay. Then the folder which will be created, the configuration, and then the machine. On the other tab, I can see the set list. If it is detailed in your BTLx file, or the part list. The part list you can develop and then see every information of each part. Okay, now let's import it. You can see every operation here and a report if an error appears. I close it, and then you can see every part directly with every option. I can select with arrow keys and enter to see the workpiece. OK. And now let's check the nesting list. Here I will load it, the folder name, then inside nesting list. Open, and then you can nest.